we are here to promote the companies who manufacture any parts for automotive sector. Just want to find new contracts, new business opportunities for our manufacturers. That's why we're here, to extend our sale, to find new positions on new markets. And you know, we think that America, US is very interesting for our manufacturers.
A lot of people forget that Poland has a huge automobile industry.
Yeah, that's correct. We are a huge manufacturer of any parts. No, we don't produce the vehicles, the cars, but we produce a lot of parts in Poland. We supply some parts to, you know, our manufacturers supply some parts also to American manufacturers. Yes.
Well, I wish you great luck here at the show. I know people will be interested. Even if they aren't interested in cars, we have a huge Polish community, and I'm sure they'll be very excited to see Poland represented here at the auto show.
Yeah.
Because many of those same people work in our auto industry here in Detroit. So
yeah, we have a big community of Polish people who are here, Americans.
Yes, that's right. Well, good luck.
Thank you.
Okay.